Hello, Libra, Sun, Moon Rising. Let's start your reading. This is for Libra. Love reading to, guys. Kung hindi ka nakaka-relate sa reading, wag ipilit, no? Pwede ka naman magpa-personal reading kay Jing Tarot Reader. I-search mo na lang siya sa Facebook. By the way, I will just change my deck, no? Naramdaman ko na ibang deck ang kailangan kong gamitin sa'yo. But anyway, kung gusto mong i-check yung aking ano tawag dito? TikTok shop. Yan, if you want to avail bracelet, possible naman yan. Check mo na lang Unipree, yan, sa TikTok. And if you are from Las Piñas, you might want to check our restaurant, Jelly's Restaurant, along Naga Road yan, sa may Las Piñas. Okay, let's start. This is for the sign of Libra. Love reading to, ha. What do we have here for Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, and Jupiter Libra. Anong meron sa ating Libra? Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter Libra. One last shuffle. Thank you, Spirit Guides, Angel Guides. Anong meron sa ating Libra? Okay. Nakuha ko yung energy mo. I feel so sad. Yeah. Pagod, sad, ganun, malungkot. And yung energy mo is like, you're full of negativity. I don't know why. Maybe nitong mga nakaraan, maybe dumaan ka sa mga pagsubok, stressful moment, and you over the Hierophant. Currently, could be healing. And with the Five of Swords, nakikita natin, whoever this person in the past, and this is a past energy, this is a person with the Seven of Cups, gusto mo ng taong to, maybe a person na dine-daydream mo, lagi mong iniisip, lagi mo naaalala. Like, some of you to the point na na-obsess ka sa taong to, maybe to the point na nagkaroon ka ng attachment sa kanya kahit wala siya. That is so weird, but there's this obsessive energy coming from you. So, maybe this is a person na lagi mong iniisip or naalala kahit may ginagawa kang something, tapos bigla mo na naman maalala itong taong to. And I feel like with the Fool, this is a person na gusto mong mag-take ng risk dito sa taong to. Nakakita tayo ng dog dito. Maybe this is a friend, a best friend kind of energy. But with the Five of Swords, medyo may pag-iwas or may pag-cut off, may paglayo kang ginagawa. Maybe ayaw mo nang isipin itong taong to kasi I don't know, ayaw mo na masaktan. And if you are, I still see you na you're still willing to take the risk. Pero bakit ka magte-take ng risk sa taong, laman lang naman ng dreams mo, ng imaginations mo, this is you, medyo nawawalan ka ng pag-asa. And with the Five of Swords, you're making changes sa sarili mo, sa pag-iisip mo sa taong to. Now, let's focus on your person. Sino ba itong person na to? For the sign of Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, you do have the Two of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, the Emperor. Yeah, this person has a lot of priorities. Meron siya mga bina-priority. Page of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. This person is currently dealing with his or her contract. So, maaaring meron siyang kontrata. Like, maybe kung nasaan man siya ngayon, there's a contract there na hindi niya basta-basta pwedeng pabayaan. Maybe something to do with work. Might be hindi siya pwedeng basta-basta gumawa ng pagbabago, and he or she needs to discipline itong kanyang sarili. Or ang pakikipag-connect or communicate sa'yo. With the Two of Pentacles, this person, ay, may langgam. Okay, this person with the Two of Pentacles, meron siyang priorities. And, yeah. So, nakikita natin na hindi ka niya pinapansin, binaliwala, or I don't know if you do have connection kasi it feels like may ginagawa siya kumbaga may sarili siyang buhay, parang ganun. Anyway, ano yung emotion ninyo sa isa't isa? Hindi ko to kukunin, masyadong marami. Ang kukunin ko lang is itong humiwalay na Queen of Cups, and then this one, the High Priestess, and this one, the Two of Wands. Okay, tell me more. Emotions niyo sa isa't isa. Knight of Cups. Is here Three of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Nine of Pentacles. Honestly, I do feel a lot of love here. Mahal mo yung tao, mahal ka rin ng tao, kaya lang mukha siyang pera. Yun lang. Alam mo yun, with the High Priestess, you see, or you feel a lot of spiritual connection sa inyong dalawa. Pakiramdam mo may something. Alam mo yun, hindi ka naman mababaliw ng ganyan kung walang something eh. Talagang may spiritual connection sa inyo. With the Two of Wands, I feel like you do have a lot of plan. May plano ka eh. Just in case na itong taong ito, mag-isip ng katulad na pag-iisip na ginagawa mo sa kanya, and or gumawa siya ng action, katulad ng action na ginagawa mo sa kanya. Like you see this na may ascendant or ascending, and might be ma-reach ninyo yung milestone sa connection ninyo. And I feel like with the Knight of Cups, this person loves you. But with the Nine of Pentacles, I'm sorry to say, mukha talaga siyang pera. With the Three of Pentacles, gusto niya ng growth sa sarili niya pagdating sa pera. The Ace of Cups, both of you do love each other, but, you know, masyado siyang focus sa career, sa work. And, might be you are more spiritual than this person. Okay. So, what will happen in the near future sa inyo dalawa? In the near future sa inyong dalawa. You do have here the Page of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, the Death card, the Four of Pentacles. Two of Cups is here. Nine of Wands, okay. I don't know if you're dealing with a person na may connection kayo, regardless kung may connection kayo or wala, I can see another person or relationship na involved dito sa connection na ito. And I feel like it will be a sad kind of connection para sa side niya. This could be another person, love affair, third party. And I feel like malulungkot lang itong person na to kasi hindi niya deserve or hindi niya magugustuhan yung connection niya with this person. Maybe nagustuhan niya lang itong person na to sa first impression, nagustuhan niya lang with the body, because of the body. Yan, more on physical attraction ang naramdaman ng person na to towards the other person. And honestly, hindi ito magbibigay ng happiness sa kanya. This person will try to move on with this person and focus maybe if there's children, ayan, magfo-focus siya doon sa children, sa connection with that person, and this time this person will be more sensitive, no? Regarding sa feelings and emotions ng person na kakonect niya. Although hindi niya gusto, wala siyang choice. The Page of Pentacles and the Page of Cups. Some of you will be focusing on children or child. I don't know if you do have child with this person, pero I can see a lot of child here or children. The Death card, nakikita natin you will be focusing on your new beginnings in the future. And with the Four of Pentacles, I can see you focusing on yourself. Kumbaga magfo-focus ka, matututunan mong mas mahalin ang iyong sarili during this time. Mag-focus sa mga gusto mo. If you do have your own business, you will be focusing on your own business. And this is you na parang you're no longer willing to share what you have in your life here. Kung ano yung mga meron ka, nakikita natin pinangangalagaan mo yon. Hindi ka nagiging sakim kasi honestly, you are an open person. But in the near future, pagdating sa emotions mo, mas magiging sakim ka because the more I say it is that you're building your own structure. And then, kung ano man yung mga challenges, maybe in the past, you feel like pag may challenges sa buhay mo, you need someone to help you with that challenge. Pero for now, nakikita natin na ikaw yung nagiging responsable pagdating sa mga challenges na ito. Okay? You want to be more abundant. And the Five of Pentacles, regarding this situation, maaaring maramdaman ninyo or pareho ikaw or siya, ma-feel niyo pareho na parang hindi kayo welcome sa bawat isa. You are no longer welcoming this person, and siya maaaring maramdaman mo rin sa kanya na hindi ka na rin welcome sa kanya. So both of you will be focusing on new beginnings. And the Three of Swords, nakita tayo ng pain and suffering dito, especially sa person na ito. Kasi why? He or she denied his feelings, diba? And then, if ever there's a third party, third person, nakikita natin na hindi siya ganun magiging masaya or masasatisfied doon. Thank you for watching. I love you all, and bye-bye.